Hi there, Dr. Sandhu here. I've just created a series of videos for all you gardeners out there because I know it's that time of the year when we want to get out and we need to garden, and it's that time of year season where the plants need your attention. And gardening is an incredible activity. It gets you out in the fresh air. If you're lucky enough, it's not raining, especially in the UK. The sun is shining and it's such a nice place to be. So you get some fresh air, and also obviously the activity of gardening is physically moving your body as well. And that's why it is really important to take some precautions to make sure that you don't get injured. Because certainly over the last sort of few weeks, as more and more patients have started gardening, the clinic is getting a lot of phone calls from people asking if we've got appointments available because they have hurt themselves doing some gardening over the weekends. So today, this video, I'm going to talk about the first priority that you need to bear in mind when you're gardening, and that is you must warm up. Okay, you've got to treat gardening like as if you're going to the gym. Now, if you went to the gym, you wouldn't just go there and start picking up weights and doing an exercise routine. You would get your body in a position to be able to do the weights or to do an exercise routine so that you don't hurt yourself. You must consider gardening in exactly the same way, because you are going to be moving your body in ways that you don't normally do. You're going to be bent over, you're going to be pulling things up, you're going to be picking things up, you're going to be carrying things. And this isn't, unfortunately, what the majority of us normally do. Normally we sit in front of a computer and type. So, what's a good warm-up to do? A good warm-up is firstly start with a walk. Right, just go for a 5-minute, 10-minute if you can, brisk walk if you haven't got time, minimum of 2 minutes, but just walk around the garden. Just get your heart rate up, get your body moving, get your body working, and just get yourself warmed up a little bit through that activity. When you're nicely warmed up, then the next thing you want to do is you want to get your shoulders and your arms moving. So we're going to work our way down. So what I would do is I would do lots of this. This is an exercise hopefully that you're already doing to improve your posture, because we want to make these muscles in here wake up, because we're constantly, with gravity and with what we normally do, with these muscles are constantly pulling us down. So we want to open them up. So 10 rolling shoulders. And you can move your head as well as you roll. You want to roll them backwards because you want to open up the shoulders, you want to open up your chest muscles. Okay, so 10 of those. Okay, when you've done 10 of those, then you can just roll your arms, big swings, and do 10 of those. Yeah, so and then just give your arms a shake. So that's your arms and your shoulders and your hands and your wrists all loosened up. Okay? Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to do a bit of deep breathing, because we want to open up our ribs and get our thoracics, get these thoracics in here sort of loosened up. So, a good way of doing that is just to take some big breaths, and do 10 of those, 10 big deep breaths. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to sort of loosen up this area here a little bit. And a good way of doing that is just circles, and you can do clockwise and anti-clockwise, and then maybe say do 10 on each side. And then what you want to do is you then just want to bend forwards, and we're not trying to sort of touch the floor, we're just bending forwards and just bending backwards. We're bending forwards and we're bending backwards, and as you warm up your back you can go a little bit further, okay? Now, a good thing to do is to just connect the right and the left side of your brain. And anything that you do sort of across the middle is going to help you to do that. Great exercise to do. So you go left arm, right knee, right arm, left knee, and you just do 10 of these. And again, you're just warming up. You're just getting the body moving, getting it adjusted. And then what you want to do is you want to now work on the hips. So what you do is you do a few lunges, and a few lunges. Okay, once you've done a few lunges, say 5 on each leg, Then what you want to do is you want to just open up your hip, open up your hip, open up your hip, open up your hip. 5 on each side. And then just give it a little bit of a shake, touch, and that. Okay, let me go over here. So just like that. Yeah, so we're getting all the muscles in the hips moving, getting all the muscles in the hips moving. All right, so just give it a bit of a swing. Pretend you're kicking your football or something. Yeah. Yep. So do 5 on each of those. So now we've literally gone to here. And then what we do is we do the knees and we do a few squats, a few squats, a few squats. Do say 5 of those. And then you want to just go up on your toes and on your heels. Toes and heels. Toes and heels. Toes and heels. Give them a good little move around. And then the most important one, which is a psoas stretch. First exercise on my exercise video on our website. And it really is important because we're stretching that really important hip flexor to try and sort of get that loosened up so that we're likely to put too much strain on our back. And there we go. And that's you now ready for gardening. So, do have a go at those. Watch the video a few times and have a go. All right, it's great to watch videos, it's great to learn stuff, but obviously the most important thing is actually doing it and putting it into action. So why not have a go and have some fun with it? And all it's going to do is it's going to help you to enjoy your gardening more without getting injured. And obviously, if you do get injured, if you are feeling some aches and pains, you know what to do. Give us a call. Pick up that phone, give us a call, and we're here to help you. Bedford Chiropractic Clinic, Dr. Sandhu, first video in gardening and how to prevent injuries. And I look forward to seeing you with the others. Watch out for the others, and obviously follow us on social media, follow our YouTube channel, and I thank you, and I wish you health in everything. God bless.